If you're looking to improve your vehicle's steering response and handling, especially after installing a lift kit, Rough Country's Pitman Arm is the perfect solution. Designed for vehicles with a 2.5 to 6 lift kit, this Pitman Arm increases ground clearance while maintaining the proper draglink alignment, ensuring that your vehicle continues to turn with optimum radius. Not only does it help reduce steering vibrations, but it also maintains your vehicle's steering performance at its peak, giving you better control on the road. With the added bonus of a drop Pitman Arm, you'll enjoy improved steering, making it the perfect upgrade for your lifted vehicle. The Rough Country Pitman Arm is backed by a limited lifetime replacement warranty, offering you confidence in its durability and performance. Whether you're tackling tough terrain or simply looking for smoother steering, this upgrade will make a noticeable difference in your vehicle's handling. Ready to enhance your vehicle's steering? Click the link in the description to purchase the Rough Country Pitman Arm and enjoy improved performance. Don't forget to subscribe for more product recommendations and updates.